Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan, and today's video I have got my brushless converted 1/5 scale Losi 5T out with me. Running two 4-cell packs. These are some huge 9,000 milliamp, 130C discharge rate, 4-cell LiPos with the huge QS8 connectors. By far the largest connector that I own, maybe one of the largest on the market. They're 8mm bullet connectors, as you can see, so no restraint of power with these. Running it through a Hobbywing Max 5 ESC combined with a huge Castle 2028 800 kV motor. It's running a top tuning motor mount as well as a top tuning battery tray. Still running the cheap eBay ESC and brake mount, which works pretty well. But let me go ahead, get this plugged in, get the body thrown on, and we'll get started ripping around. May go jumper and just have some fun. Alright guys, I got the Losi 5T all powered up, so here we go. Let's start her off with a launch. Ready, get it, go! You can see it kind of looks like it's crab walking. I think it's because my rear suspension arm's bent. From a pretty hard hit I took a couple of bashes ago, so the thing doesn't track 100% straight anymore. Also, it just cut the power on me. That's a constant issue I've had with this machine. I think when I pull the throttle and go full throttle, it just cuts the power on me. It's too much of a power draw. Even with these huge QS8 connectors, there's still some sort of power draw issue. But then, so now I'm only at like half power. But then watch, in a second it's just going to kill my power. See, kills my power. I'm still held to full throttle. Killed my power, but it'll be right back to full throttle. So the one thing I do have to watch with this machine is just be careful that you don't do full throttle launches all the time. Too big of a power draw, I guess. And these are huge discharge rate batteries too. So even with 130 discharge rate batteries, 130C, still, it can't deliver enough power. It still kills the power on the CSC. Just because it's such a big truck, I assume that's what's going on. I don't know what else could possibly be the issue. Let me know in the comments if you know of any way to combat this, or if you think it's some other sort of issue. I don't know. It seems to be in very cold weather, when you do hard launches, it kills the power on you. So I just have to make sure I don't go pinned. You know, I can go 3/4, I can go 80, 90%. Just can't go full throttle, it'll kill my power. All right, guys, we'll do another launch. Alright, that was like 80 to 90% throttle. Still pretty darn quick. Killed my power again. Alright, we're going to jump the road. It's time. And here she comes. On the throttle. Woohoo! Landed that one. I'm going to move a little bit further down. A little bit better spot to jump over here. Alright, right to the edge of that parking lot, and here she comes. Smooth. This thing does jump pretty darn smooth. We'll go into another one. I'm pinned. Let off a little bit. We are geared down a little bit. The last time I was here and doing the same jump, I think I was geared up to like a 22 or a 23 tooth. Ever since I put the top tuning kit in, because of that battery tray, I had to run a smaller pinion, so I put an 18 tooth in. Alright, we're going to go into another one. Right at me. Nice! Nice! You gotta give that one a thumbs up. That was a good one. Let's go just bash around in the snow down here. I love ripping around in the snow. Cut my power again. We're still moving though. Yeah, cut the power, then it comes right back to full power like, I don't know, 10 seconds later. Kind of frustrating, but yeah, it happens. There's not much else I can do power system wise. It's already running a huge max 5. The only other option is going to a max 4. But to be honest, with how expensive Hobbywing max 4s are, they're like $450. That's just not worth it to me. So I'm already running a Hobbywing max 5. About as big of an ESC as you're going to throw in an RC like this unless you move up to something like a max 4. It's got huge QS8 connectors, so plenty of power flow can go through those connectors. It has super high discharge rate batteries, 130C discharge rate, 9,000 milliamp, and it's adequate powered motor with, you know, pretty low gearing at 18 tooth. So I don't know why it's killing my power. It just is for some reason. There's still too much of a power draw. I don't know. Let me know if you guys think it's something else or how you think I can combat this. I really never had as many issues running the higher gearing. It's ever since I put the 18 tooth in. And colder weather seems to cause it more also, it seems like. All right, another launch. Launch. Got a little bit of ice over here. Yeah, one thing I do have to say is these batteries do not last very long, especially when you're ripping around. These 9,000 milliamp batteries are gone like that. They're done. Especially in cold weather. It's like 10 degrees out. As long as I don't go fully pinned, it won't cut my power. So I can go like 80, 90%. Like right there, I'm about 90%. It hasn't cut my power. So when I go 100, that's when it cuts it. Gosh, I love this machine. So much more fun now that it's brushless. Nothing against gas power, just so much more usable. Ooh, hit that curb. Kind of pedaling it a little bit. Lost sight of it. There she is. Get back up here. Here we go. Pinned. Bringing her back. Cut my power again. This time it might have been low voltage mode though, I don't know. It might be done this time, guys. We maybe got 10 minutes of bashing in total. Not super long, but fun factor is high with this machine. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Hopefully you did enjoy this little bash with the Losi 5T. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. hit the bell, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.